Sunny and watching the Bharat and where review I'll teach you in a table. This air dryer using an air dryer filament. So this is what I tend to do. So I am thinking why not make a 12 volt battery operated air dryer instead of 220 volt. So that's why this is nitrogen wire which element wire which I got. You can see I will salvage this wire into the 220 volts 1200 watt air dryer, and then now I made 12 volt air dryer. What I tend to do, I take a plastic bottle top and put the stick in there and that 20 centimeter of element and loop their thread and then connect this to the terminal blocker, which you can use see in my endeavor video, which is part 3 video, and which I connect have two wires. The other side of the connector, which wire is connected to the parallel relays are 12 volt and ground terminal of the power supply, as well as this motor. This fan is also serviced by air dryer. So I put the fan first, I at the bottle there. We will place the fan. Fan faces such a way it throw air that like outwards, and then I put the bottle back down and glue it. Fan also glue it. Then I insert this connector. Before I insert it, I insert this stick, loop the wire 20 centimeters. Then I screw the wire into this one connector, and then screw the electric wires into this connector, and then also screw it, and then install this to their hole, and there I made one little more hole in somewhere air, which insert take air inlet and this is air outlet, and these are output terminals which will be connected over. Let me show you. These one yellow to yellow, which is 12 volt, and black to black, and there's a black wire with green wire of the power supply in order to turn on the power supply. So now what I tend to do is turn on the power supply by the plug and then see it's deep or there. Now I turn on the power supply. You can see it will you can hear it produce odd sound, although it is a very large sound. I mean odd air. You can listen in the sound and you can say easily realize it is hot air. And these are two hot. If I jam my ear, it will. Now this way, this way I not any handle it, but you can add handle over here, like a wood handle with help of screw or plastic handle. You might, in my opinion, I give you a demo. That's why I made a simple. Or you can use multiple other bottles, like a glass bottle or plastic bottle. In case of glass bottle, glass is not easy to touch. You cannot use any metal bottle because metal bottle is getting electric shock. Only use plastic and hide all the plastic and glass bottle if you have a glass tool. So it will those little bit warm, but it will not melt easily. Now this video is ending. Next video, addition pause.